Hello, this is Stefan. I would like to give you a little hint on the use of the APICS SCOR reference model mobile phone apps that you can download from the Apple or Android app stores. As you know, I'm recommending to use these little apps in order to get a first insight into the SCOR model. Here you can see the starting screen. You maybe have discovered that already. It's pretty straightforward. It gives you the four main elements of SCOR: process, performance, practice, and people. And it's pretty self-explanatory. If you click on one of these, like people, for example, you get the elements below. In this case, let's take skill and go down further. And this shows you then the elements in skill, for example, like acceptance testing. If you click on that I here in the information button, you get some additional information on that topic. Clicking on the headline doesn't do anything here. And that is the reason why I'm pointing that out is because in the process section of SCOR, this is different. And this is quite interesting because in the process section, if you look at plan, for example, of course, clicking on the I will bring you the information on the element like in the others. But if you click on the headline itself, you also get the process structure here in addition. So that is something that is quite useful. So you have two functions there, and you may want to have a look at that. If you flip the page over horizontally, that also works. For example, here in the process area, and I find that quite handy because you can then go horizontally through source, make, deliver, for example. And if you want to get some information to the deliver, so stock product, MTS, or make to order or engineer to order, you can go there horizontally, which is quite nice. So that's what I wanted to show you, a little trick, and I wish you a lot of fun with the app. Have fun. Bye for now, Stefan.